Hello guys, Elise here, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to earn free Robux from your Microsoft rewards. So let's get started. Open one of your browsers. I've opened Google Chrome here, and on the search bar search for Microsoft rewards. Go ahead and search it up and it'll redirect you to another page. Click on the first About Microsoft Rewards. After this, you will see this page and you can click on Start Earning. After that, it will need you to sign in. So sign in with your Microsoft account. And if you don't have one, please create one to get your Robux. You will be redirected to this page and you can see there are many bonus points. You'll be welcome to the Microsoft Rewards section. And after this, you can click the next button. After this, you can see that you have 50 points available, and there are different tasks that you can do to earn more rewards. You can scroll down and you can see more tasks that you can do. And then you can see redeeming cards, but we will go on the top to see what you can redeem and how you can redeem it. So click on the redeem button and there you can see the Roblox digital card. Click on it as well. It will redirect you to another page, but as you can see, there are many organizations to which you can donate as well. And then you can select the option of 100 V-Bucks to 1,000 V-Bucks. And this will have the points. You have 50 currently, so you need to do tasks to earn it. I hope this video is helpful. See you in the next one. Please share, like, subscribe. Thank you.